Improper affiliate marketing can negatively affect you and your online business. You need to do a lot of research, networking, and working on your site so that you don't lose customers or money to improper techniques. There are some tips listed below to help you start marketing your online business through affiliates. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the #1 rule for affiliate marketing. A great affiliate marketing tip is to try and get visitors to sign up for your list whenever they visit your site. If you're getting tons of visitors but they aren't joining your list, you are losing out on a lot of money and opportunities to promote any affiliate products. A great tip that you can use in terms of affiliate marketing is to ask for a raise if you are generating good sales to the program that you have joined. The program will do everything they can in order to keep you in their team and will give you a raise. When creating the sign-up page for an opt-in list or to gain access to a free offering, don't ask for the person's name. The only fields you should have are for email address and a checkbox to agree to receive marketing emails from your site. If you plan on sending ads from third-party websites, include that in the checkbox text as well. When you try to make money through affiliate advertising, it is important that you stay up to date with all of the new trends and outlets to make money. Many affiliate advertising programs change, making it important that you stay on top of what is going on with the programs that are available. Use search engines to research your affiliate program before signing up. There are companies that require you to pay to become an affiliate or require that you purchase the product before signing up. Companies that do this are generally scams. Learn all you can from unbiased sources before going any further. Consider adding some sort of bonus to your affiliate promotions so your audience will choose to buy through your site instead of elsewhere. For example, if you're selling a software program, offer anyone who buys it the password to a download site for add-ons which you host on your website. When looking for affiliate programs, don't jump in before you do some digging. Go to a search engine and do a search for the program name. Include keywords like review, scam, and other terms that could help you find out information about their track record. Don't rely just on testimonials from their website. If you are planning to attempt affiliate marketing, one great tip is to give free reports. Have autoresponder messages mailed to those individuals who give you their personal information when they sign up for your site. Most of the time, a sale will be made with the 7th contact of a potential buyer. Beginning with a familiar topic allows you to learn more about affiliate marketing while growing your site around a subject you already have an interest in. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. Always make sure to check on a company's conversion numbers before you decide to work as an affiliate for them. Many new marketers are sold on bright and colorful websites and fail to check the sales conversion numbers. If the company is not turning a lot of visitors into customers, this means no commissions for you. One of the biggest things in affiliate marketing is to know your audience. You must know why they are coming to your site and what they expect to find. What product or service are you offering that they are most interested in? What is catching them and making them come back to your site? In affiliate marketing, just as in other things in life, there is no substitute for hands-on experience. Therefore, I recommend strongly that you try the product yourself. If you cannot, then research the item. Read reviews. Even better, ask end users, preferably those who have actually bought the product, about their experience. User forums are extremely helpful. Finally, ask yourself, would I be happy with this? You think you have a great site with great advertisers, but your site traffic has been slowing down. You must always have fresh content by making sure there is something new at least once or twice a week, if not every day. Providing new and interesting articles and stories will keep the search engines leading people your way. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. Use auto-tracking software whenever possible. There is software out there that can download affiliate sales data and adjust the frequency at which an ad is shown in a rotation relative to its profitability. If an ad is consistently performing poorly, the software will alert you so you can dump it and put something potentially more profitable in its place. Think about branching out once you build up some profile as an affiliate. Taking the next big step in business is important for anyone looking to make a career out of working online. If you build up a reputable brand as an affiliate, you should think about pushing your own products to keep 100% of the profit. Now that you have an idea on where to start crafting your own affiliate marketing plan, are you ready to start experimenting? Are you ready to apply what you read to your business? If you can, then great. And if you want a complete step-by-step program that helped over 100,000 plus people successfully generating an online income with ClickBank, check the link in the description below for more information. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.